Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So I very recently paid a visit to one of my favourite shops, Lush, and picked up a few of my favourite products from there and a few new Christmas bits. So here is my big bag of Lush goodies, and I just thought I would unbag everything for you and just have a little talk through everything that I picked up. So the first thing I picked up in my Christmas Lush haul is, in my opinion, an absolute Christmas staple, and it is Snow Fairy shower gel. So I got this in the 275g bottle and this cost £11. And if you've ever had Snow Fairy before, you will know that it just smells so lovely and sweet. It's like a sweet shop, pear drops, candy floss, just that really gorgeous fragrance. I think I get Snow Fairy shower gel every year and I try and make it last as long as possible. I don't know why I didn't buy a bigger one, but I picked up a few other items and you'll probably see why I didn't go for the big bottle of Snow Fairy. What I liked about this one as well is that they had loads in there with like different labels on. So there was ones about Secret Santa and various other things, but I went for this one that says on the nice list. I just thought it was a cute touch and I haven't seen them do that before. You can see as well all of the shimmer in the bottle, and yeah, this just lathers up so beautifully. The scent just lingers on my skin, I find, all day, and I don't think it would be a Lush Christmas without a bottle of Snow Fairy, to be honest. I did pick up a few bath bombs, so the bags aren't labelled, so I'm going to have a quick look and see which one I've got in here. I picked up a Butter Bear bath bomb, and this one here cost £2.95, and I haven't tried Butter Bear since they changed the shape and the colour of it. So it used to be like a different shaped bear and it wasn't this nice pale pink, it was just like a whitey creamy colour. But this one's just really lovely. I do love Butterball, which is probably why I love Butter Bear so much. This is just absolutely jam-packed with cocoa butter, and it just makes your skin feel really just lovely and smooth and nourished when you get out of the bath. It's also packed full of ylang ylang oil just for that added relaxation. And yeah, although I think it's quite a simple bath bomb, it's not full of glitter and sparkles and anything too extravagant, but it is definitely one of my favourites, and just, yeah, a really relaxing bath bomb and also super cute. So the next thing I picked up isn't Christmas related, but it is one of my absolute staple Lush products, and it is the Let the Good Times Roll facial cleanser. And I'm sure when this first came out, it actually used to just be out around Christmas and the festive season. But anyway, this is, as I said, a facial cleanser. It looks like this, doesn't look too attractive, but it's made of polenta and it's got pieces of actual popcorn in it. It just smells like caramel. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I do actually have the matching body spray as well because I just absolutely love the fragrance so much. So this is the 100g tub of Let the Good Times Roll cleanser, and this is £9, and it does last me a good while because you do only need to get literally a pea-sized amount on your hands. You sort of rub it into a paste and then apply it onto your face and rinse it off. I do have quite sensitive skin, and I find this is actually really gentle on my skin. I've never had any problems with this cleanser, and it always makes my skin feel really soft, really smooth, nourished and hydrated after I've used it. So very pleased to be able to replace this. The next thing I picked up from Lush is another bath bomb, and I think I can already tell which one this is just by the shape of the bag. So this is the Orange Pop bath bomb, and it is actually huge. This is a really, really big bath bomb. And this one here is £3.95, so kind of like one of their mid-range bath bombs. As the name suggests, it smells like fizzy orange. It kind of smells a bit like Fanta or Orangeade. I suppose with the name Orange Pop, probably that's what they're going for. But anyway, this is packed full of mandarin oil, tangerine oil and orange oil. So it's like a triple whammy of citrus, and yeah, it just smells gorgeous. I fully expect my bath to go a really bright, bubbly orange with this bath bomb. And I did also have a little look up about this one, and as a bit of a Spoiler or a surprise, it has got loads of popping candy in it, I suppose just to go again with the name Orange Pop. So I'm super excited to try this out because I've never tried this bath bomb before. And the next product from Lush is another shower gel, and this is their Lord of Misrule shower gel, and this is just a small 100-gram bottle of this. This one costs £7, and as you can see, it's just this really amazing luminous green colour. Again, I've had this shower gel before and I absolutely love the fragrance. It's so different to Snow Fairy, probably couldn't be more different. It's earthy, it's full of patchouli oil, peppercorn and vanilla. So it's kind of like earthy, but it's got that vanilla sweetness in it as well to kind of break it up. Again, total favourite, lathers up beautifully like, well, I suppose like any Lush shower gel really, and the scent does just linger on your skin all day. I don't think I've had this one for a while, so when I saw it in there, well actually to be fair, there's quite a lot of shower gels I saw in there, but I thought I must pick myself up a bottle of LOM. They do also have a bath bomb, but I just went for the shower gel this time. Next up, we have got another bath bomb, and this is definitely another really fun one. So this is the I Want a Hippopotamus for Christmas, and it is literally a hippo. Again, this one was £2.95, so the same price as the Butter Bear. It smells gorgeous. It's like raspberry scented, I think. And this has got grapefruit oil in it, it's got bergamot oil in it, and it's also got almond oil. So you can imagine the bath goes a really lovely lilac colour with this one. It's got these gold stars in it, and again, it's also got popping candy. So I had this bath bomb last year, obviously not this one right here, but the same bath bomb last year, and I absolutely loved it. And I think I only bought one and I really regretted not getting more. So when I saw it again in the shops this year, I thought I definitely need to get myself another hippo because it was just a really fun, relaxing bath bomb. And then this was the other non-Christmas related item I got, but it was just something that I needed, and this is the Veganese conditioner. So I have almost finished my last tub of these and thought whilst I was there I might as well replace it so I won't be without. So this is the 100-gram tub, and this one costs £7. So that's what it looks like, and they used to do this conditioner years ago but just did it in a bottle, and I don't know when it came back, but I don't think I'd been into Lush for a while and I saw it there last time and thought, well, I used to love it, so definitely going to get it again. So this conditioner is super lightweight. I do have quite fine and yeah, I just have quite fine hair, so I do have to be quite careful about what I put on it because I don't want it to weigh my hair down or make my hair look oily or greasy, and this conditioner absolutely does not do that. It leaves my hair feeling really soft. In fact, I used it this morning, just soft, healthy, silky and just really smooth. It has a gorgeous fragrance. I'm not sure what the fragrance is. Okay, so it's got fresh lemon juice and a cherry lemon oil. So that's probably what makes it smell so fresh and lovely. And then the next item I picked up from Lush is another shower gel, surprise, surprise. So you can see why I didn't go for the massive Snow Fairy, because I knew I was going to be getting some other shower gels. So this is the Plum Duff shower gel, and this is just the 100-gram bottle, and this one costs £6. So this says, there's always room for pudding. Plumped up raisins and tangerine oil make this the king of sweet, zesty lathers. And I don't know if the camera can quite pick it up, but it is a really deep purple. And again, just smells really fruity and lovely. What's nice about this is that it's not too sweet as well, because I've gone for Snow Fairy, which is obviously super sweet, and I've gone for Lord of Misrule, which is very earthy. This is kind of a mixture of berry and earthiness in one. It's just, I think, quite a nice middle ground shower gel between the other ones. So it's got cedarwood oil that offers that kind of earthiness. It's got tangerine oil to sort of lift up the fragrance. And I haven't tried this one before, but I did smell it in the shop and just thought that it smelled Really gorgeous. Thought I'd give it a go, and yeah, definitely excited to see how well this one lathers up and whether the scent will linger and just how I get on with it. And then this is the final bath bomb I picked up from Lush, and this is probably the most random bath bomb I've ever seen. So this is the Toby's Magic Cow bath bomb, and you can definitely see I've gone for the more, I suppose, fun looking bath bombs. I've got the hippo, I've got the bear, I've got this cow, and this one cost £3.95, which I think is really good because this is a really quite a big sized bath bomb. You can see all around the edge it's got loads of different colours in, so I imagine the bath is going to go really colourful, really vibrant, and just look really spectacular. So this again has got popping candy in it, so definitely a bit of a theme going on here. It's got coconut powder in it, which apparently is supposed to be really like softening and soothing on the skin, so interested to see how that goes. And it's packed full of orange oil and patchouli oil, so again kind of a fruity, citrusy but earthy fragrance at the same time. I just thought this was really fun, and yeah, who wouldn't want to put a multicolored cow in their bath? So that was everything I picked up in my Lush Christmas haul. So do let me know if you've tried out any of these products, if you have a favourite, or just what your favourite Lush product is in general. I'd really love to know. But thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please do give the video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.